So, are you tired of chasing every new wellness trend only to end up right back where you started? Well, today we're going to cut right through all that noise. We're going to unlock a super powerful, natural reset button that's actually already built right into your body. Okay, let's get into it.
Does this sound familiar? You've done the expensive juice cleanses, you've tried all the latest fads, but that deep down feeling of sluggishness, of just being a little bit off, it just never really leaves. You're not alone. It's a super common frustration. And today, we're going to get to the real reason why that might be happening, right down at the cellular level. Because what if I told you the most powerful reset for your health isn't something you can buy in a bottle? What if it's actually an intelligent process that you can learn to switch on yourself? The real solution, the most profound detox, is a system your body already knows how to do. Yeah, we're talking about a kind of deep cellular spring cleaning. And listen, this is not a fad, it's a fundamental biological process. Think of it as an innate reset button for rejuvenation that you can literally learn how to activate. This amazing process is called autophagy. Now, it literally means self-eating, which I know sounds a little intense, but a better way to think of it is as your body's own super efficient quality control and recycling crew. Your cells are smart, they go around, find old, damaged, or junk parts, break them down, and then reuse the good stuff to build new, healthy components or for energy. How cool is that? So you might be wondering, if our bodies have been doing this forever, why is it such a big deal now? Why does this ancient biological process matter so much in our crazy modern world? Well, here's the thing. Our modern lifestyle is kind of throwing a wrench in the works. From the constant stream of processed foods to the environmental toxins we can't avoid, our cells are just under constant pressure. And that overload can actually suppress our natural cleaning system, leaving our cells feeling clogged, sluggish, and just not working at their best. But, and this is the really exciting part, we can flip that switch. We can turn this incredible system back on. And when we do, the benefits go way beyond just feeling good for a day or two. We are talking about a deep, cellular-level reset for your entire body. You see, when you get autophagy going, you're not just taking out the trash, you're making a real investment in your long-term health. We're talking about things like promoting longevity by keeping your cells young and resilient, sharpening your mind by clearing out junk in the brain, and seriously beefing up your immune system so you can fight off whatever comes your way. And really, the stakes are pretty high. It's like a tale of two different bodies. On one side, you've got a body that's constantly renewing itself, just full of vitality and running efficiently. On the other side, you have a system that's bogged down by cellular waste, leading to that chronic fatigue, faster aging, and just a higher risk for disease. But here's the best part. You absolutely get to choose which side you want to be on. And yes, you absolutely have the power to influence this process. So let's do it. Let's open up your cellular toolkit and look at the simple, everyday things you can start doing to kickstart this whole renewal process. To make this fun and easy to remember, we're going to call them the Autophagy Avengers. Now, these aren't some weird expensive supplements you have to order online. Nope. These are everyday heroes that are probably sitting in your kitchen right now, just waiting for you to assemble them. All right, Avenger number 1, food. Think of things like berries, which are just packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells and encourage that cleanup process. Or how about green tea and coffee? They've got these amazing little compounds that basically send a signal to your cells that says, hey, time to clean house.
Next up, let's spice things up a bit. Turmeric, with its superstar compound curcumin, and ginger are so much more than just flavor. They are powerful anti-inflammatories that actively support and boost your body's cellular cleansing. You'd be surprised how much of a helping hand just a little sprinkle can give your cells.
And finally, it's not just what you eat, but also when you eat. When you give your body a break from constantly digesting food, by creating a strategic eating window, you give your cells the time and space they need to switch on autophagy. And when you combine that with staying well hydrated and getting some light exercise, you create the perfect environment for that cellular reset to happen. So look, here's the most important takeaway. This is not about some crazy restrictive diet. It's not about deprivation. It's about strategic inclusion. It's about adding these powerful foods and habits into your life. And trust me, these small, consistent shifts can make a massive, massive difference in your health. Okay, this all sounds great in theory, right? But how do you actually start? Let's break it down and build a super simple, totally doable one-week action plan to get you going. I promise, it really is this simple. Step 1, just pick one thing. Seriously, just one food or spice from our Avengers list to add in this week. Maybe it's throwing a handful of berries on your yogurt. Step 2. Pick one habit. Don't go crazy. Maybe just try finishing dinner a bit earlier. And step 3, this is the most important part, just notice. Pay attention to your energy levels, your mental clarity. This is all about reconnecting with your own body. Because that's the ultimate message here. This isn't some complicated, far-off goal. Tapping into your body's own intelligence and achieving real, fundamental cellular health is totally within your reach. The key is just to start small. And you can start today.
So, I want to know, what's it going to be for you? Which one of these cellular reset tools are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let us know your plan. I'd love to hear how you're going to start unlocking your body's natural reset. Thanks so much for watching.